Our kitchen, like everybody's, is the heart of the home and has been for years. With that, I find it getting a little bit dated. We have a few problems that we want to resolve with this kitchen mini series. So welcome to the start of this kitchen makeover series. We are pretty excited to get started. We want to document every single step of the process, and we're very happy that you're joining us. There's quite a few things that I want to talk about. We have been brainstorming for pretty much the entire couple of weeks of holidays. We've just been gathering supplies, and I'm so excited. I'm glad you're here. So let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Mark.
And we're the Yo-Hos. Like I say, this is the heart of the home. We need to brighten up the walls. The walls are darker gray on this wall here. I think it's a lighter gray or maybe even a blue. I don't even know what I was doing up there, but let's just continue on. These cabinets are essentially kind of like a color wash of just gray, and it's just kind of sad. I'm over that. I'd say about 10 years ago, maybe a little bit more, I painted these cabinets gray. I don't mind them, but I would rather lighten those as well eventually. As well, if we're still on the paint topic, I want to paint the walls, figure that out, make a clean slate. Then I want to plan for the cabinets. I want to paint them a different color. I don't know when. I've got a lot of work I do in here on that side behind the camera. Literally, I edit in this kitchen. We eat in the dining room, so this part of the kitchen for now is my studio or my office, if you want to call it something. So Mark had taken this blank space and changed it to these amazing cabinets. They hold so much of my junk. I've got so many art supplies in there. I've got some, office supplies. I've got all of our camera equipment. I've got everything in those cupboards that are actual working things. My sewing, my fabric. It's great. Let's just go there. I had originally whitewashed these cabinets and I still love them, but now that we've had to have our curtains taken up or like pinned up, the cats are quite young still. They're only just going to be 2 in a couple of days. So I have noticed that because of just that patio light coming in from our backyard, we don't get a ton of light in here. It seems like there's a lot in here, but really there's not. I want to brighten those up as well. I know that they're whitewashed, but I'm kind of starting to see the wood through the whitewash even more now, and it's bugging my guts. But before I do that, I'll have to give that a light sand. Do I really want to do that in here? I'm not sure. So that is a future goal as well. But for now, like I say, I just want to paint the walls and make it very cohesive. I started painting that wall over there thinking I was going to do something. I got busy and I stopped because I wasn't completely stoked about the color. I had just used some random, white. I don't even know what it was. I don't know if it was straight out of the can. I have no idea what I was doing over there, but I want to make it all cohesive. Okay, that was very long-winded. Another part of the design plan that I am so excited about, 2 more things actually. We are doing something on this wall over here. Mark and I are so stoked about it that we can't not. So that is a secret project coming up. So you guys will have to subscribe and do that little bell thing. So when we upload our next video, you'll be in the loop. You'll be able to watch it as it unfolds. There is one more project too that I think hopefully, this all depends on the weather too. I know that he's already started this fun feature wall that we're doing over here. He's been cutting the wood all weekend. Over here on this other side where our coffee machine is, I love that area. We want to kind of do something different over in that corner where the coffee is. Not necessarily make it a coffee bar, but that's another project. So that is a whole other video all in itself. I'm so stoked. Oh, and our really long-term goals is to get new countertops. So we will be taking you along on this journey. So like I say, subscribe. There's a lot more to come. I'm so excited. Let's just jump right into the rest of the video now that you guys have the design plan kind of laid out and told to you mostly. all good. All right, let's go home for breakfast.
Oh, that is a good idea.
Toast. Look at how cute. I still think that's kind of cute. Are words in or out in rooms and kitchens and stuff? Because I don't know, it's still cute. But anyways, we all know what we do in the kitchen: eat. I am very curious to see what's underneath this board. I don't remember when I painted. I'm pretty sure I painted the gray around the board. Yeah, I gotta go find the screw, the drill bit, and let's see. So if you can, I'm not trying to be bossy, but if you can just take them down carefully, and I will wash them immediately because they have been up there for a little while.
Am I prone to take things down haphazardly?
Yes, you are.
I just want to establish where we stand with all this.
Thanks.
Yeah, no problem.
I have been waiting so long to paint this kitchen.
Resolution to be less of a hoarder. Cluttery for
Of my stuff.
the PC of our nation.
Okay, are we ready? The unveiling.
Here we
It's already
go.
stuck to the wall, let's be real.
No, it already moved.
Ah! Look at all the layers of paint. Oh, this was on clearance too. How much was that? $25.
Ooh, very nice. Home Sense.
Yeah. Look. It's like the color of our bedroom.
Ah, that's right.
Oh, what are we doing? Is this exciting? Whoa, those were some intense plugs, huh?
Right? There. Needle nose would have been a little bit better for this, but you know what? We're here now, so
It's your life now.
yeah.
Whoa, nice try, buddy.
The hole's got to be patched anyway.
Yes, they do. Okay, so good morning. Yeah, first things first, I want to fill all the little holes and kind of look around and assess the situation. I might just give the walls a little quick wipe with just like a microfiber cloth just to get some of the dust off of it. Not to say my walls are dusty, but they're dusty. Hold on here, let's get into this. Whew. I haven't done this in so long, it feels like. Hi, buddy. Good boy. All this commotion, eh, bud? And the neighbors are gonna love Mark. He's outside sawing and it's 9:30 a.m. Improvise. Ooh, it's high up there. You guys ready to see the paint color? You ready? Well, you guys, I thought I'd bring Mark on and say goodbye.
It's gonna be exciting, you guys. We're pretty jazzed about it.
Yeah, we are, and I am so glad that you got a head start on all of that wood cutting because like this weekend is definitely a write-off. We just got a big dump of snow today.
Well, let's not rule everything out too quickly here, you know. I still got a little shoveling power in these yo-ho arms.
Have a good rest of your weekend. And
see you in the next video.
That sounds good. Bye. Again, I fall for it every time. I want to talk about the reason why the cats are being crazy in the background.